Good morning, everyone. We had a small amount of rain overnight. I'd be surprised if it was more than 1/4 of an inch. I wonder if Don already looked. That seems to be in there. Yeah, I'd say it's about a 2 to 3/10, so, you know, 1/4 of an inch. It was helpful. It was appreciated. Everything's a little wet out here this morning. Yep. So that's good. Stripes now at my legs. I feel I'm talking and I have a friend down there rubbing on me. Hey, bud. Don took the fountain back down because it was leaking a little bit of water and he wants to reinforce the glue. But otherwise it's doing good. I laid down the food for Morris and I noticed my water bowl's missing, which is not uncommon for these bowls to get moved around over here, except for I don't even see it. Like it's just gone. That's not it. That one's been sitting there. That's like a backup bowl. Hey, bud. Mom will find your bowl. It's probably up in the woods behind you. If I look just a little bit, maybe I can find it. I was doing a lot of watering over here, so my crew is hanging out in the driveway with me. Hey, Tux. I did find the metal bowl. It was 10-15 feet up into the woods. Somebody was having a little too much fun with their water last night. Hey, Panther. Good morning. Hey, buddy. How's my buddy doing? Good. Good, good. Hello, pretty girl. Hi. Hello. Good morning. You ready for some chicken? Yeah, unfortunately, I don't think you can get it. But please prove me wrong. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's really bad up here this morning. We weren't here yesterday because we got plenty of exercise at home.
Oh, yeah.
And, yeah, the parking lot's, you know, Don and I had our hands full by the time we walked from where we parked Ruby to the trash can across the parking lot. There's full.
So the update on the kitchen sink?
It's working.
It's working. No leaks. So we're doing good and it's running fine.
I knew you could do it.
Thank you.
Yeah, it was a pretty yucky job though. Maybe Don wishes he'd called somebody in, but now we know how to do it faster next time.
Yeah.
Notice I said we know how to do it faster next time.
Yeah, I think if it plugs up, I'll just go under the house and pull that plug out and send the snake each way and be
done with it sooner.
In less than an hour.
Sure. So it's going on 9 o'clock and we're out here early and we are in Ruby, so no weight vests, and we're parked up here at South Park because we got to head out around 9:30 for Durham. The mammogram people said they couldn't see everything they needed to see, which translates to she didn't smush you know what as much as she should have. Don't worry about making me hurt, just get the picture you need, because this having to go back to retake the pictures is very stressful and unappreciated.
Yeah.
Yeah, she was a nice, kind young girl, but I would have preferred, you know, someone else probably. And well, anyway, I just wish, you know, they used to check the images on the spot and let me know if they were okay or not, because as a breast cancer patient, they don't like to stress you out, but after 5 years, they stopped doing that. And/or this facility doesn't do that anymore. And so then they just call you back like it's no big deal to make you have a second trip to the hospital. And, you know, instead of giving you a quick peace of mind, they give you long concerns. So, you know, anyway, it's all good. We'll just, you know, go up there and get them knocked out. But it's cramping our morning walk stuff.
Yeah, Yeah, we don't even have time to go home and change clothes.
Right. Well, I tried to get through the kitties quick, and we got up at 7 instead of 8, but it just still... Guess we should have got up at 6:30, Donnie. Well, somebody does something in the gym in the morning. A couple just drove up in a light colored blue Bolt with a B. It's busy in there. Let's just say we got in 40 minutes. Let's just leave it at that, okay? It was close to 40 minutes. The turnpike where all the Teslas on full self-driving like to go. So after the Triangle Tesla virtual meetup last Thursday, we pinged Bob from NC Solar Now to take a look at our roof, because you know I've been pestering Don about solar for like forever. And he came back and said what Don already knew, that one of the house roofs has a 35% total solar radiation factor, and the other side has 21%, and you want 70% probably before you consider a system. But he didn't take into account the garage, or the fact that I'm willing to get rid of about 3 trees that are obstructing part of the garage roof. They kind of need to come down anyway before they fall on the garage, but I don't worry about that as much as I worried about the house. So anyway, we're gonna talk with them one more time. Yeah.
Do a Google Meet.
Do a Google Meet, point at trees. It's not looking good though, I'm not happy. Well, they got the additional images that they wanted and said that all is fine. It's sunnier out, and my disposition is greatly improving as we drive back to the house. Yeah, that's Fuquay's new fire station.
It's gonna be pretty.
Yeah, it went up quick. That was where we thought it was going. How do we miss that before today? Like, poof, there it is.
Yeah.
I'm back working on the entertainment center in the green room, in Johnny's room, and I washed half the minifigures, fixing to do the second half, and then I'm going to tackle that top shelf, which is going to be a bit more work. I think you're getting spoiled.
I am?
Yeah.
I liking it. 4 eggs.
And 4 pieces of bacon, and I'm cooking him a steak.
Yeah.
So before dinner, I finished dusting and straightening the entire entertainment center. And then after dinner, Don moved these in here for me, because he's just steadier on his feet, and you know, they're heavy and they had to go high. He had to stretch his arms out, so he did that for me. And he said to make it look like a real street scene, so I did. They're turned the way they're supposed to be, although I guess I would say that the Parisian restaurant in the middle of those other 2 buildings is not the best maybe middle house, but it's okay. It's okay. So I'm changing out the table in the kitchen with different Legos. The kitchen table is reworked. Nice summer colors, I think. Leave it like this until I decorate for Halloween, and then watch it transform, I guess. You know, the botanical garden's not done yet. That dome is going to be up that high, so it will look, you know, more substantial as it goes. And I've got trees and landscaping and benches, and, you know, I've got another session or 2's worth of work, and then I figure 2 more days probably it'll be done. But it's 7:30 now, so I don't have time for tonight, but I wanted to get it ready, and I really like the way the little swimming pool looks with this. And these other things were just, as I was saying, these other little friend sets are not packed up and kind of still laying around. I like this one. I'm probably going to pack this one up. It doesn't fit with the rest. But I'm not going up in the attic tonight to figure that out. So, and I left the church because I just love the church. The lighthouse is now up top over there, which was the plan all along when I bought that set, to put that really tall model there. So tomorrow is going to be a normal shopping day, but maybe I'll have a little time to work on the botanical garden in the evening. We'll see.